When would a married couple benefit from having two revocable living trusts? The answer to that question really depends on their family dynamic. I'll tell you, most typically, when a married couple comes to me and it's their first marriage and the children that they have had are biologically joint, they don't have any children outside of the marriage, then we will advise a joint revocable living trust, because essentially what it would say is when the first spouse passes away, they want everything to go to the second spouse, and only when both spouses have passed do their kids split everything, maybe equally, maybe unequally, but that can all be handled through a joint revocable living trust. However, when a married couple comes to me and it's not their first marriage, or they have kids from outside of the marriage where one spouse is not biologically related to one or more of the children, we will then talk about the benefits of each spouse having their own revocable living trust as opposed to relying on a joint trust. And the reason for that is we don't ever want to be, as much as we trust the family, we don't want, after the first spouse passes away, we don't want the surviving spouse to be in a position where they're ever tempted or have the ability to disinherit the children that are not biologically related to them. And we can best accomplish that by utilizing two separate trusts. And again, we can still, when a surviving spouse passes away, we can still provide that, when the first spouse passes away, we can still provide that the bulk of the assets that are jointly owned are there to benefit the surviving spouse. We want to make sure that when that spouse passes away, everyone is treated equally or according to your wishes. And so that's really what it's all about. It's making sure that your wishes are honored, and even after you passing away, you having the confidence of knowing that your money is going to go to where you intend it to go to. If you'd like to talk more about estate planning, Medicaid planning, probate, I'm Jason Neufeld with Elder Needs Law. You can give us a call, set up a consultation. Thank you very much.